how to create valuable emails using PLR. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how to create valuable emails using PLR, and I'm going to share with you the creating process of creating the email with the PLR, and then I'm going to share with you a system that can be congruent with the training I'm giving you to go along inside and promote affiliate products also. So, and if you stay with me to the end, I'll be sharing with you that information. Let's get into the training. So I'm going to write this so we're going to go use Google Docs to use the PLR, and then also we're going to go to my drive for the PLR that I already have downloaded. So what you would need to do if you already have a PLR membership website, I would go ahead and use that to help you get started with what I'm going to be sharing with you too. So I'm going to name this product Valuable Affiliate Email Kit. I'm going to unbold that and recommend a normal text, and then align it for the left side. Alright, I have my product I'm going to use. So I'm going to use the 7 most common mistakes made in affiliate marketing. These are the kind of emails that your audience would want to read too. So this will help you promote products within those emails. So I'm going to use this ebook right here once it loads. And forgive my slow internet. So the first email is going to be the big one, and this is going to be a 7-day email series. So you could call it a 7-day email series, but it's going to be actually more because it's going to be a full-fledged product when I release it. Affiliate marketing best place to start. That could be a good welcome email. The subject line. And of course the body text would go like in the middle and such. And you would have to format the email in a way that is readable for everyone to read it. This could be like the welcome email of the start of it. Oh, okay, it didn't let me copy it for it. Alright. Oh. Huh, okay. Weird, it's not letting me copy. Copy, okay, here we go. We got it going. and then paste the text in here. What you would need to do is format it. On each sentence I would recommend, or question mark. So this is going to be a pretty big PDF. I'm going to space it at least once. So now you kind of get the gist of what you would need to do on how to create the email. So this is going to be a big one. And here's the first day of the email. Day 1. Pitfall. And then paste. And then the rest of the emails are going to be fairly short. And you basically have a product to sell that you can sell on Gumroad or Warrior Plus if you want to make extra money on the side too. So this is a great way to make an extra income. And that's kind of how it would look like. And you can download it through PDF as a PDF, which is really cool. And in the training I recommend actually linked down below, called Lazy Affiliate Method, because you get done for you funnels and emails and products that you can promote on an instant basis. So if you use exactly what Ken Vahe teaches you, which he's actually my internet marketing coach, and I bought the system myself too, which is why I'm promoting it, because I thought it was a pretty good system because I'm using it too. And I'm giving you for bonuses, Bonus Fin, which is a bonus page creator software. Lazy Commissions. This is actually a very limited time bonus, and it's free for right now, but again it's limited time. So I would recommend hopping on board by getting Lazy Affiliate Method, because you also get Affiliate Funnels 2.0 as a free training bonus. And an extra software called 0 to 1000, which could help you build squeeze pages, which you get in Lazy Affiliate Method to help you promote affiliate offers also. So you would just have to copy the pages that Kevin gives you and use those and the funnel that he provides, and then use the training that I gave you about how you to use PLR ebooks to write valuable emails that people want to read. Because this, I think this is a really good way to get started on writing your email sequence as a beginner. So if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and share this video. Lindsay Marketing, see you all in the next one.